Today, we are touring an amazing two-story home with a NextGen suite. And the best part, it's priced in the 500,000s. Don't go anywhere. Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Now, if you're new to my channel, if this is your very first time tuning in, my name is Dale Bella with eXp Realty. I'm a local realtor here in Las Vegas. Now, what we do on my channel is we go over all the new construction communities here in Las Vegas. So if this is something you're interested in, if you're planning on buying, moving, or selling here in Las Vegas, do me a favor, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification button. That way you stay up to date with all the newest communities here in Las Vegas. So today is October 1st, 2025, and today we're here at Craig Point by Lennar here in North Las Vegas. Now, just to give you an idea of where we're located, we're off of Craig and Simmons, okay? We're about 25 minutes away from, I would say, the north end of the strip, and about 30 minutes away from the airport. Now, there are some retail areas close by. You do have some restaurants in the area as well. Now, I will have the floor plans on the screen for you. They offer 3 different floor plans here, all 2-story homes, ranging from about 2,061 square feet all the way to 2,640 square feet. With the Bellevue floor plan, that's the only model that offers the NextGen suite. Okay, now out the door, the prices for these homes are gonna range from like the low 500s to the mid to high 500s. Okay, so for example, they have a couple of quick move-ins right now for the Powell, priced at $520, the Skyland at $550, and the Bellevue at $580. Now, because this is Lennar, this community, all they have is spec homes. That means they picked out all the options. Because of all these homes are move-in ready or quick closes, you definitely have more wiggle room. Okay, so I know Lennar, you could definitely get a really good deal when it comes to incentives as well as, off of the purchase price. Okay, so this community here is fairly small, only 18 homes. I think 3 people have moved in. And so they still have about 15 homes available. And the HOA here is $102 a month. It is not gated. That's just going to cover like the outside maintenance of the area. Okay. But yeah, that's all the information I got. Let's get started with this tour. Welcome everyone to the Bellevue floor plan. Now, this is going to be the largest of the 3 floor plans that they offer at this community. This one's going to be 2,640 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 3 baths. This is the only one that does have a NextGen suite in it. And out the door, because, Lennar is a spec builder, out the door, you're looking at about $580, okay? Now, in this community, again, fairly small community, looks like all the options have already been picked out with most of these homes. But, it is to your advantage. Again, move-in ready homes, quick move-ins, you could get the best deal on it. Show you guys this model here. Now, unfortunately, this isn't, this house is not staged. So we're just going to be looking at an empty house, but at least you can see the floor plan. Okay, so your entry door is going to be right over here. Okay, so it's going to be your entry door. Now, this is going to be the door for your NextGen suite. So again, NextGen suite, separate living area that's inside the house. Great if you plan on renting out. You could rent out this unit, have someone help you pay your mortgage, or you could have, distant family members stay there, or just keep that as a little guest place for whenever you have guests. Okay, so to the left, you're gonna have stairs that go to the 2nd floor. Now, this is gonna be your main living area right here. So in the middle, you'll have your dining room table. Right over here, you're gonna have your living room. And then you also have 9-foot ceilings on the 1st floor and the 2nd floor, okay? This actual house is for sale. So this will give you kind of an example of the spec homes that they do offer. Now, all the other floor plans, I mean, some of them might have like different color countertop, cabinets, backsplash, but relatively like the level of upgrades I would say is the same. So back here, you're gonna have your backyard. It's always gonna be just a dirt lot. You're gonna have about 6 months to a year to landscape your backyard. So in this community, I feel like the backyard sizes are not too large. You know, you have like just a decent sized backyard for if you have pets, or if you want to barbecue. Okay, so right over there, that's going to be where your gate is. And then you do have a barbecue. So this is your gas line right here. Set up your barbecue. Okay, so this is the cabinets. These are the standard cabinets that Lennar has. Sometimes they do have like different color cabinets as well. This is going to be an upgraded quartz. Okay, looks like they got backsplash. And then your oven, refrigerator, microwave, your appliances in the kitchen, all that comes included, which is really nice. You have the stainless steel undermount sink, Moen faucet right here. Ooh, it's a little dusty. Okay. You do have your garbage disposal. And then looks like you have your GE dishwasher. Okay, what's this right here? Okay. GE refrigerator. Okay, so you'll have your NextGen suite to the left. Right over here, I believe this is going to be your pantry. Okay, so it's pretty deep actually. It's deeper than you think when you first open this door. Okay, and all throughout the house, you're gonna get a flat finish paint, just like this. In the wet areas, I believe you're gonna get like a semi-gloss. So semi-gloss is definitely easier to clean. Okay, so this is gonna be the powder room that the guests use. So you do have your pedestal sink. You're gonna have your toilet right there. Okay, this is gonna be your NextGen suite area. Well, we'll take a look at the garage. So the garage, it does come unfinished, meaning that they don't paint the walls or the ceiling, okay? You do have a water softener loop, as well as a tankless water heater, okay? The garage ceiling is 10 feet, so, you know, definitely spacious. You could put racks up here and still be able to park your car. Okay, so this is gonna be your NextGen suite area. So again, NextGen suite, you're gonna have your own bedroom, bathroom, laundry room, walk-in closet, living room, and like a half kitchen. So right over here, this is your full bath, walk-in shower. Okay, this is the countertop I believe they're gonna be using for all the their quick move-in homes, this coarse countertop. Also the undermount sinks, the faucet, everything that you see right here, they're gonna use for, okay. So this is gonna be the bedroom. As you can see, you do have a transfer grill, helps regulate the airflow in the hallways and the bedrooms. So this is the closet here for person in the NextGen suite. So not the largest closet, but if they're just like a guest staying for a few days, that should be more than enough. Okay, it looks like we also have the blinds. Now, this is gonna be like the living room area, the half kitchen for the NextGen suite. Also too, you do have a stacked washer and dryer. So that way, anybody staying in here doesn't have to use the laundry room upstairs. All right, so refrigerator. Okay, you have your sink right there, as well as your microwave. And then this is going to be your living room area. Okay. Usually the doors, you can expect to see these 5-panel doors. Now guys, if you're watching this video and you are interested in a new construction community, or you're interested in a buying a new construction home, you know, definitely give me a call, shoot me a text. I would be honored to go with you on your very first visit. If you have a realtor too, that's okay. Just make sure your realtor goes with you on your very first visit. Just don't go by yourself, because the second you go by yourself, the builder agent's gonna ask for your information. Once you give that to them, they're gonna log you in the system as having no representation. You definitely want representation, because the new build agents look after the builder's best interest, and we look after your best interest, okay? Also, I know a lot of times buyers are hesitant to reach out to an agent because sometimes, you know, they think they have to pay like the commissions or the fees, but that is not true. I always collect my fees, my commissions from the builders or from the sellers. So, you know, if that's something that you're worried about, you don't have to be. I never charge any of my buyer clients. So as soon as you walk in, you have this nice loft right here. So it's a really spacious loft. It's also 9-foot ceilings. You do have the pre-wire for this ceiling fan up there. Okay. So the primary bedroom is on the other side. It's kind of separate than all the other guest bedrooms over here. You also have a thermostat to control the temperature upstairs. Now this is going to be the laundry room. Okay. Looks like this one has the washer and dryer already inside. We have the upper cabinets, which is really nice. Plenty of cabinet space. Then here we have your smart panel box. That's how you connect your internet router and your modem. You also have your attic access up there. Okay, so guest bedroom. Yeah, really nice size rooms, okay? Definitely spacious. You could have a queen size bed and still have plenty of room. Now, these two bedrooms do share a Jack and Jill. So you'll have 2 sinks. Okay, right over here, you're gonna have your toilet, your shower tub combo, fiberglass, very easy to clean. And then here, you're also going to have a your other bedroom. Cool. And this community, it does have like a small park. Okay, no walk-in closet, but you do have this standard closet here. Okay, so check out the primary bedroom. All right, so welcome to the primary bedroom. Very spacious. Okay, so you, here you're gonna have your dual sinks. Also, separate tub, separate shower. That's how Lennar always builds their homes here. You're gonna have, there's no like different bathroom configuration. Okay, so you got your toilet and then your walk-in closet. All right, that wraps it up for the Bellevue floor plan. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And again, if you made it this far, I just want to say thank you so much for watching the whole video. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me. If you're looking for the best deal on new construction, again, don't hesitate to reach out, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.